Make sure to pay careful attention because this will be on your test and filling out this chart. So when we want to work out the decimal or unit rate, that's going to be the easiest because we're just going to divide. So we're going to take any fraction or term here and just divide. So we'll do that first one. So $3.30 per 6 bagels. Now, we don't necessarily need to do bagels per dollar or dollars per bagel, but whatever's going to be more convenient. In this case, we're going to do dollars per bagel. So we're going to take the $3.30. So we're going to do 3.3 and divide that by 6 bagels. And that works out to be 0.55. Now make sure that you know the units because we did dollars divided by bagels. It's going to be dollars per bagel. Okay. To convert this into a fraction, what we want to do is just write this as 3.30 over 6. And as a ratio, we can just write this as 3.30 to 6 as a ratio like that. And we can put our units into our ratio as well if we want. So if we're starting with a $25 per hour, we can write this as a rate. Okay, so this is going to be 25 cents or $25.25 per hour. As a fraction, we're going to write this as 0.25 over 1. Now we really should convert this into 1/4 because 25 cents is 1/4. And as a ratio, we could use a decimal ratio. You can use a whole number ratio. It doesn't really matter. We can do it like that, 0.25 to 1, or we can do 1 to 4 as a ratio like that. So if we have it in a fraction, fractions are easy because we can just write those terms, 7 to 10, 7 questions answered in 10 minutes. The rate is going to be 7 questions per 10 minutes. Okay, you can write this rate as a rate like this, or you can write it as a unit rate because we're going to have to convert this into a unit rate anyways. 7 divided by 10 is going to be 0.7, and the rate is going to be questions per minute. Okay, because we divided the questions divided by minutes, so the rate is questions per